Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Today's our topic is passing parameters to function. In my previous video you can see function definition. Function is a block of code which has some specific functionality, tasks to do. There are two ways to pass parameters, means arguments. I will show with a cursor. There are two ways to pass parameters or are arguments. Parameter also called as arguments. That is one pass by value or are call by value. With some value, some number, we can pass the parameters. Second one pass by reference or call by reference. With some address, we can pass the parameter. These are two types, call by value or call by reference. First one, call by value. Before that, if you have any doubts and if you want any study material, I will provide my number. You can WhatsApp me or you can call me at any time. My mobile number is 9849181923. This is my personal WhatsApp number. You can ping me at any time. You can call me at any time if you have any doubts. If you want to study material, if you want to lab manual and theoretical related program also I have. Right? Call me. Pass by value. Pass by value means that a copy of data is made and stored by a way of the name of the parameters. If it is given SMS question, write some more points. Here the value of the variable are passed by the calling function to the called function. With the example you can understand easily. When any value of the parameter is called, function has to be modified. The changes will be reflected only in the call function. This happens with black pen. I made it into black and blue so that you can identify easily. This happens as all the changes are made on the copy of the variable and not on the actual ones. So with this example you can understand that easily. C program for call by value, pass by value. Hash include stu.h, hash include conio.h. I wrote with a red pen so that it will be easy for you to eye catching the program. In the exam you write with black pen, side heading with blue pen of the program, and generally we will write side heading with the black pen, no, but here in the program write with complete black pen, so it will be eye catching to the correction people who will correct your paper. Hash include stu.h, hash include conio.h. Void sum int n. Here you need to declare a function. Void sum before main function, user defined function. This one, void sum. Void means returns nothing, it's a keyword. Sum is a user defined function. Int n, these are parameters. Semicolon, defined function. Here declared a function. And void main, curly braces start, int a equal to 5. We are passing that. Clear screen. This value will be passed next. Printf, the value of a before calling function. Before calling function, what is the value? %d, and this a will be here. I will show you. This a value will be comes here in the output, and a is equal to sum of a. Some user defined function. This is parameter a. This is called with blue pen with comments I wrote. Calling function means nothing but callee. Passing value here is called call by value. We will pass value here. This will be called function with semicolon. When this is called, it will pass to the program jump from here to here. I will make with other color so that you can easily identify. From here to here it will jump. Void sum. Now next, void sum of int n, called function. This is calling. It is calling to this. So this is called function. Caller. You can say it as caller also. This is callee. Right? In our mother tongue we say that ఇది పిలవబడ్డది, ఇది పిలిచింది. Some of the students asking teach in mother tongue so that they can understand easily. Right? ఇది పిలవబడ్డది, ఇది పిలిచింది. సో ఇట్ విల్ జంప్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు హియర్. వాయిడ్ సమ్ ఇంట్ n equal to n plus 20. This is the formula we are comparing. Now printf, this one will be for next line, backward slash n means new line, value of n in the called function. Now called function, after this again the cursor will go back here. ఇక్కడ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది. printf the value of a after calling function. After calling function, this is called from here to it is jumped here. See, this is the program and this is the output which I made in the green box, expected output, because we have not done on the practically. So the value a before calling function is 5 as we have declared here. Here we have declared a, so it is 5. Then value of n in the called function. In the called function we made it with a formula here with a cursor I am showing. I will mark it out here. So it is n is 5. First n is 5, then n equal to 5 plus 20. So it will be replaced. 5 is replaced with 25. Now we are printing that value, and the value of a after calling function is 25. So it is replaced with 25. So this is a call by value. 5 is value that is passing here. So passing parameters, arguments here. So call by value. That is the example of call by value. Very simple. Next, call by reference means call by address or pass by reference. That is, the definition is a reference parameter refers to the original data in the call function. You can backward the video and you can see pass by value and pass by value and pass by reference definitions with that program example. Here the address of the variable are passed by calling function to the called function. Same thing with the program, you can understand this definition easily. In address we will call by, in function we will call by address. That's why it is called call by reference or call by address. The address which is used inside the function is used to access the actual arguments used in the call. When there are any changes made in the parameters, they are passed by arguments. For passing a value, the reference, the arguments pointer are passed to the function just like any other value. So here for example, int a equal to 5, this is the value given. Int star a means pointer, means ampersand a, address of a, right? Now example program, C program for call by reference. This you write with black pen, blue pen, and you program which I wrote in red color for your eye catching, that you write in the exam with black pen. For every theory topic, try to write maximum, write a program so that you will get full marks. Hash include h3.h, hash include conio.h. Here one more time, void sum int star n is declared, star pointer is declared, function declared. See, with blue pen I wrote the comments. Function declaration or definition is done before main. Declaration or definition, assigning. Int a equal to 5. 5 value is assigned to a. Clear screen. Printf. Clear screen always should be before first printf function. Remember, that is a note point. The value a before calling function, %d a. Sum ampersand a, here with ampersand, so it is call by address, nothing but call by reference, pass by reference. Calling function or callee, this is calling function, again same like before, this will be calling, right? Call by reference. When this is called, because reference and address, because here we have ampersand, not the value, and it will jump from here to here. Very simple. Void sum int star n, called function, పిలువబడ్డది. ఇది పిలిచింది, ఇక్కడికి జంప్ అయింది. స్టార్ ఎన్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్టార్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ 20 మీన్స్ హియర్ pointer of the address, it will become again 25. Printf, the value of n is called function %d n. This n will be given value at %d. Now again after this it will go back to here. Printf, the value a after calling function is %d a value will be here. So get ch means it will be program will be over. Now expected output, the value a before calling function is 5, the value a after calling function is 25. Here star n means address of a, star of address of a means the value, original value 5 will be given, 5 plus 20 25, and the value of n in called function is ampersand, garbage value will be given. Garbage value means a random RAM value in the memory which is not used, address value will be given. So I have made it into comments. So in your system you will get new word. These are call by value and call by reference, right? That is one essay marks question. All the best for your exams.